Develo Diabetics Veloprot is a scientifically designed, high-protein and fiber, sugar-free nutrition for diabetic patients. It has low GI and also contains 27 essential vitamins and minerals, including 11 immunonutrients that helps blood sugar management. Its key features are triple protein as a combination of whey, soy, and milk protein, contain all essential vitamins, minerals for antioxidant activities, diabetic-friendly carbs, immunity booster, easy mixability, and digestion-friendly. 100% vegetarian formula with no added sugar, no preservatives, no artificial sweeteners, no wheat gluten or any other harmful ingredients. It contains only FSSAI approved ingredients. How to prepare. Add 30 grams or 2 scoops to 150 milliliters milk. Stir well till dissolved. Drink immediately. Recommended dosage 1 to 2 serving a day. Available in 7 delicious flavors: rich chocolate, vanilla cream, strawberry smoothie, banana shake, kesar badam, elaichi pista, mixed fruit. Call or WhatsApp us on 9-216-353637 for any query. You can also visit our website develomolecules.in through the link given in description box.